Let me wish all of you good morning and good afternoon, depending where you are coming in from. My name is Sharad Agarwal. I am the founder of Cyber Gear and onlywebinars.com. I would like to share a little story of mine, which I think is very relevant for today's webinar subject. Cyber Gear has been around for 25 years. Our journey started in February of '96. And here's the secret. In the last 25 years, we never had a single salesperson, not even an intern. And you got to trust me on that. And you might wonder, then how did you survive for all these 25 years? And the answer is, I relied largely on building my network on LinkedIn. And this is a true story. So if somebody tells you LinkedIn does not work, it's a waste of time, I tried it, it's not happening for me, just don't believe them. Because if you do it right, it works. We have built a network of 30,000 people, an online community, and that has helped us generate leads. So we have a sales funnel, and all the time we have people from all kinds of organizations coming in for anything that's digital. So today we do web, mobile, digital, social, AI, big data, etc. You will all agree that business is about networking. Your network is your net worth. Networking is a lot like nutrition and fitness. We all know what to do, and the hard part is to make it a top priority. And I must congratulate all the attendees who are in the room for making it a priority to join us for this webinar. I promise you that the 60 minutes that you invest with us this morning is going to be suitably rewarded by our speaker, Neeraj Shah. Neeraj is no stranger to Middle East. He had joined us in August of last year to do a webinar with onlywebinars.com, and it was a very successful webinar hosted by us back then. For all the new participants who are joining in today, let me reintroduce Neeraj to you. Neeraj is a LinkedIn expert, digital marketing strategist, and productivity enthusiast. For the last 17 years, he has been educating entrepreneurs to elevate their income, influence, and impact, all through business networking. He helps established consultants to attract and convert high-value clients using LinkedIn in just 15 minutes a day. That's it. Neeraj is the founder of Titan Masterminds. He's also one of the top 15 mentors and LinkedIn faculty on the Genius U platform that serves a community of over 1.5 million entrepreneurs globally. He was recently featured by People Hum's Power List as one of the top 200 global thought leaders to follow in 2021. Congratulations, Neeraj, for your achievements on the global stage.
Thank you so much.
I'm going to hand it over to you, Neeraj, to take it forward. And I want to remind the audience, please use the Q&A tab or the chat window to send in your comments. We value them. And do put a question as and when you have one. It's over to you, Neeraj.
Thank you so much. If you do use the chat that's there, and you do have a question, just put a Q in front of it and then a dash so that we know it's a question rather than just a comment. So I'm going to just end up sharing my screen. just a moment, and I want to just make sure that everything is good.
Perfect. We can see it.
Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to go into full screen mode. Guys, please take tons of notes. I'm going to go fast. Okay, so we are going to keep it going. We're going to also make it interactive. Sharad's lined up a couple of polls as well, and I'll be checking in with you as we go in. So how many of you would like to attract and convert high value clients using LinkedIn? Well, this is your lucky day. I'm going to show you 21 ways to generate leads on LinkedIn in 2021. So let's get going with this. If you and I are not connected on LinkedIn, then this is my URL, Neeraj R. Shah, that's there, okay? And I'm one of the top 15 faculty as well as mentor on the Genius U platform. And I want you to take out, if you have your mobile phone, okay, you can scan that QR code, okay? And how do you do that? You'll see at the top of your mobile phone, that little search bar, and just tap on that little QR code and then point it at this, and you and I can then be connected. This is an easy way for you to be connected. So next time you are doing a webinar, or maybe later when we have sessions which happen live and in person, then you can use this. This is an easy way for people to quickly connect with you, and this will help you build your network. Okay, so let's first address this particular burning question: why LinkedIn? I really think it's LinkedIn's golden era. And let's look at some of the key stats. LinkedIn is growing so fast, this is already out of date. This is a slide that I put together just a couple of months back, but already we're now at 760 million users as of now. So within a couple of months, they've added about 40 million users. 4 out of 5 people here are decision makers. So this is really amazing. 41%, this is a fun fact, of millionaires are on LinkedIn. So you have people who can make decisions and people who can spend money. And you have a huge percentage of people that are able to spend money. And this is what I love as well, which is having a great organic reach, especially compared to some of these other platforms out there like Facebook, which has really become a sort of a pay-to-play platform. And lastly, it is hyper-targeted. You can't get the level of targeting you can get on LinkedIn anywhere else. Even if it was on Facebook, it's still not as specific. Here, you're able to drill right down to a specific job title, previous company they work with, current company they work with, all of those particular sorts of things. So it really makes it the #1 business network in the world. So now the question is, do you know how to use it? By the end of this particular session, I want to make sure that you at least walk away with 3 very actionable things that you can do immediately. Now, I'm going to give you more, but I want to make sure that you at least get 3. Okay, so I hope this is all good. Sharad, am I all good? Everyone good?
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's get into it. Now, this is one of my favorite little graphs and put together by HubSpot. And they had looked at 5,198 both B2B and B2C businesses. And they found that LinkedIn outperformed both Facebook and Twitter as far as lead generation goes. So it's 274% higher. People who are on LinkedIn and see you on LinkedIn and interact with you on LinkedIn take you a lot more seriously. And as a result of the fact that they have money to spend and are decision makers, then we consider those to be more valuable. This is another thing, and I'm active on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, right across those three. And I have a community which is active across the three. But this was really interesting. I sent this little poll out, and it included people who've been active on Facebook and Instagram as well. And LinkedIn, again, has won as far as organic reach goes. And all the things I'm going to take you through today do not involve the paid versions of